In high school, we didn't learn anything about Microsoft Office. I was just confused about education in general. So it was a bit frightening for me. But once you learn and get into the trainings, it shows you exactly how to navigate through each piece and component. I think that just made me feel more confident in my studies. The step-to-step guides, they actually explain to you how to use SIMnet. They don't just throw you on an island. And by them explaining to me and me being just a real novice in Microsoft Office, but also know that Microsoft Office drives the world today with all the software, Excel, Microsoft, PowerPoint. All of these things are needed, especially in the field that I chose as a career, which is computer network and technology. So just learning those softwares, learning how to collect data, how to actually input data, I feel like SIMnet done an excellent job at making me more confident and comfortable in that process. The most enjoyable part was the three-step process for me. Again, I had no knowledge of how to do anything as it pertains to Microsoft. But within the SIMnet system, it has the show me, where the simulator actually shows you how to navigate through all of the Microsoft components. They have the guide me, where it just reads it to you and then it lets you navigate the process on your own. And then once you build up that confidence from that process, is the let me try. And at that point, you're fully confident and you're ready to rock and roll. Well, with SIMnet support, I want to first off give kudos to them, because we know in the technical field, you talk to chatbots and you probably don't get the right answers. But with SIMnet support, I would say it's A1. Every time, anytime that I had any problems with knowing how to navigate through the system, SIMnet's representatives were there to assist me along the way. I would tell a new student that it's definitely worth a try. And if you're afraid in any type of way, I promise you by mid-level or mid-entry of it, you will be fully confident. For me, as a new student, or anybody who's just afraid to pursue education because that phobia, SIMnet is actually the way to go. Whether your school is integrated with them, whether you just take up on their platform itself to get the badges, the credentials, SIMnet is the place to be.